thinking whatever it is that they're hunting out there, I'm hoping it don't need another shot. No, it's not. When them plutes is clean, I want you to hoop them up real tight.
Stand together!
Jimmy, you go get the captain.
They're everywhere! We're surrounded!
What I'm saying is we stay on the boat, chart a course forward to fort, we take our chances on the water.
We gotta get off this boat.
The only safe thing to do is track a new course back up on land.
Is it true what they say about you shooting their lieutenant while you was living them sandwiches? There's the one been fucking us. And you boys wonder how the Ree managed to get the dead drop on us. That what you did? Shot one of your own to save this little dog right here? We're gonna fight, son.
As far as I can tell, my place is right here on the smart end of this rifle.
You move along, Fitzgerald.
With the wago.
Nino nakasho hue churico. Nano hakara tao.
Take it! Weston!
Why are they not jumping?
I ought to be on that boat.
Was it the right decision, leaving them both?
Class, I do like the quiet.
He's out here! Hey, come here, Raj. Please, you scout a circle around us. North and west. Take those two.
I'm gonna take advantage and stitch up his neck. Let me see.
Yeah. Carrying glass is hard. So we need to get ahead as far as possible.
How are we gonna make it up this?
Slow down a bit. Keep it steady.
Lift it up a little bit, Holly.
Captain, you ain't doing us nor him no favors by letting him go on suffering like this.
There's a $70 bonus from the Rocky Mountain Fur Company to the 2 men that stays back with Glass to see this through.
Get me the hell out of this godforsaken place. If you ready, take the sacrament. I can do that for you. All you gotta do is blink if you want me to do that. You just have to blink. Creator. Get away! Get away! What's wrong with you people?
Got one beaver, Hawk.
Where's Hawk?
He ain't with you.
There's about 20 of them down by the creek.
What about Glass?
He ain't have problem no more. He's like us. He's on his own. All right, shit, bring it. You want to take him?
No. Wait. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Doesn't read, can still make twice a good time as we can.
20.
What? Oh, yeah, 20 dozen. It don't matter. I wasn't going to exactly hang around the creek counting fucking feathers now, was I? Don't go questioning me now on the account of the fact that y'all feel guilty about leaving Mr.
I'm gonna blow your damn head off. You fucking lied to me. You lied to me.
Come on. Let's get. Grab your shit.